quickly. So I'm just gonna tilt this again. Oh my goodness. Okay, here. We're back. So that was my first fan using the pinching method. Now I'm gonna show you guys the shimmy method. Now, this is relatively more difficult if you haven't practiced it. So the key thing to remember here is that you're gonna wanna grab in the middle of the tweezer. And you're gonna wanna use a curved tweezer for this. You cannot use a straight tweezer for this whatsoever. You need to use a curved tweezer. So I'm just gonna go in. And as I'm going in, I'm tightening and loosening at the same time to get this. See how the fan is already kind of open? You go in on the lash tile and you slowly open it up like that. Ta-da! That's it. Okay, it's obviously stuck to my hand, but I'm gonna show you guys one more time. So this was the fan I made pinching, and I'm gonna do it exactly the same with only using one hand, because this is the important thing here, right? Like, when you're lashing, you wanna be really, really quick to the point where, like, it almost feels robotic, and you wanna be consistent, because if you're constantly changing how big the heads are, your sets aren't gonna be consistent. So, squeeze, like that, and then you're gonna you're doing something wrong, okay? And I mean that in the nicest way possible, because I did this when I was a beginner and it took up so many strips, so much time. You want to have good quality products, and I don't mean this to like try to sell my products. I'm just making this as a